different styles of dancing. Firstly, the robot. Secondly, the Glenn, Pulley de Glenn. And then the Dennis. And now the Hodge. And now the Wally. I don't know, he just like randomly pops up. Now, Joe Harvey. What have we missed out? What about Walker? Oh, okay then. Liam.
Sticky Dad. You remember him?
No.
Yeah, he was like...
The hell?
I'm Sticky. I'm not Sticky.
He doesn't dance like that.
He danced on the floor. Remember, it was a circle and he was like...
Okay, that's nice. And last but not least, Liam dance.
I don't know what I mean.
Dance like Michael Jackson.